Good morning, guys. Welcome to our first video. Today we're trading NQ. Currently we've got 3 accounts we're trying to pass. Yesterday I already took a L for like over $1,000, which is dumb, but I mean, with these trading combines, you're really just trying to pass them quick. But I'm feeling pretty dialed in today. I've got ES pulled up on another tab. I don't think you'll be able to see it, but I got ES pulled up on another tab. This is our strategy for today. We have the yellow lines marking out Asian highs and lows, the light blue ones being London, and then the green ones just being points of liquidity that we can target. We've got a 15-minute gap and an hourly gap marked out that I'm hoping to see a retracement into and then a reaction off of it. So that's the strategy for today. Yeah. Last month in December, we did really well. I was able to get 2 payouts, and yeah, but this month has not been the easiest. I blew 2 combines and I blew my Express account, so trying to get those back right now. We're about to have market open in 30 seconds, so we'll see here. This green one has like 4 equal highs up at it, so I'm really hoping we just come in, get a 1-minute inversion, and then we just enter. Or even better, we come down to the hourly gap and get a 1-minute inversion. That would be the best case. Then we can get a lower entry, but we'll see how it goes. We had news this morning too at 5:30, as you can see. So this is London high and it's data high. But yeah, okay, we're in it right now. We can see all of London session was pretty much accumulation just because of there being news at 5:30. So, and then we kind of just accumulated again after. So hopefully, we just get this down here, and then this candle closes above here. We'll probably enter long. Hopefully, it can be a quick morning. Would be nice, yeah, if we take out this 1-minute low in the gap we just made and then came up. That'd be some nice confirmation. So we'll see what we get. I got like my points that I'm trying to use, like my strategy here. Oh, camera's up here. I can show. I don't know if you can see. These are all I'm going to be using. SMTs, 5 to 15 minute fair value gaps, 1-minute inversions, buy and sell side liquidity as our targets, or you can use them the same as the 5 or 15-minute gaps, just something to bounce off of. And then AMD, trying to keep AMD in mind, it's important. So yeah. Yeah. So yeah, kind of just chopping right now. I'm gonna pull up. Pretty sure there's no. Yeah.
Making millions yet?
No, not yet.
Daisy in here?
No.
Hey, what are you doing today?
Go to the gym. I don't know what to do.
Oh. Do you think you can wash those coolers out Yeah. Like, can I scrub the bottom a little bit? Like dirt on the dirt film.
What do you mean wash it?
Just water and just scrub them, and that's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks, bud.
Yep.
You want to come up and see your work and talk about some eBay stuff?
Maybe.
It's a no. Sound like a woman.
Yeah.
I mean,
All right.
all right, bud.
Well, there's no more news. Trump speaks at like 11, but we'll be done trading by then. So, yeah. We have a lower 5-minute gap too. I'll just mark that in case we ended up inversing the 15-minute. We just wanted to go after the 5-minute right there. This is pretty good though. I think this is pretty good for longs. We've kind of almost filled up this gap left by CPI.
Not allowed in here.
Because I don't want him in here.
Oh. Like your Daisy?
Okay, well, no, but I'm just sitting in my chair and he's just crying the whole time he's in bed. So.
Oh.
Alright. There we go. If we close above here, we'll enter for longs. Or should I wait for this one? Right here. Nah. Yeah.
Order filled.
Here. Well, that's too much, actually. We can just target London highs. Pretty sure consistency rule only lets me go like 1500 since the target's 50% consistency or whatever. Where to put the stop loss? I don't know. Probably just down here, I guess. 1,000. Well, hopefully we just go up and I can move that up. I'll probably... Where's a good spot to move it up to eventually? Probably here. If we break above here, I'll move my stop loss up to there to get some profit. So, yeah. We are targeting our London highs here. So hopefully we can take those. Yeah. I don't want to speak into existence now, but I've been getting pretty screwed over in January. I don't think I can show you on here, but I can show you yesterday. It was rough. I took 2 trades yesterday. Yeah, best one's negative. I've only had these 3 accounts for the one day. My other ones I blew like last Wednesday or something, or Thursday. And so I just waited till Monday to trade because I only had like 2 winning days. I think it was Friday and then maybe Tuesday I won, but it was like they were like big losses on the other ones, so it's been pretty rough. So hopefully we can get some buying pressure here. I could have waited, I guess, until the top one got inversed, but I mean, kind of want as low of entry as possible. A slight pullback's fine. I mean, literally the two trades I took yesterday, I didn't take pictures of them, but as soon as I entered, they both reversed. Like, I don't think I was green for longer than 5 seconds on both of them. And they were straight down, like straight down. But I've been using FX Replay, and I'm using this exact same strategy I've done January of 2022 and February of 2022. And I think my win rates were 63% and 65%. And then January, I was able to get up 7,000 on a 50K account like this one. And then I actually did 100K on February, but I got up still 4,000. It was just smaller targets that month, but I mean, yeah, still pretty good. So I'm trying to transfer that into the live market. I'll take 435, so let's try to push up above there again so I can move this up and take that. I don't want to cut this short, so yeah, we'll just let it run right now. I guess we'll just move this to break even. Move this up here to 455. Make sure we can get a dub. I really think this is going to run all the way up though, so we will see. Do we have any? We have a gap, that 1 minute gap we're in right here, so we could bounce off of that instead. Well, let's see if ES already took it. What was I'm targeting the, no, ES is not even close to it. Yeah, we're still looking good. ES isn't even close to these highs either. That's kind of odd. What did 625 or 625 on here? ES never even got above these, so we might have a reversal soon. Hopefully it's after we hit TP, which is looking pretty good right now. Couple more. Let's just let it breathe. Let's let it breathe. So this is the scare away candle right here, just to make everybody get out before we smack. Obviously, it's before we smack our TP. Because yeah, ES. I mean, ES is. I guess we have a SMT off of like this high, but ES never even crossed here, so but I mean we're pretty primed to take London highs and data. I mean, I guess data highs just this candle, but so just London highs then at that point. But I mean, if we only get the 460, that's fine too.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's still a dub. That's still a dub. Now we're about to dump. Well, let's see what we can do if we can get another trade in here, because that's going to be an SMT already. Let me pull up my stuff. Yeah, so SMT. Let's go 5 minute. Off of this, because we never even crossed that in here. And I don't think you guys can't see ES because I just have it sharing one tab. I'm on Mac, but ES never even crossed this high right here. So I think we're looking pretty good to go short. We might just walk away with our dub now, but we're looking at on the 1 minute. Let me see how I had this set up before. We'll just keep this up for a sec to see how it plays out. I mean, good thing I pulled above break even, because then we'd be leaving with nothing. And after yesterday, we need to leave with something, because that was rough. But yeah, we'll probably just watch how this plays out. I'll get this up and posted. I mean, I'm on the West Coast, so it's only 6:45 right now. But yeah, I'll have it up and posted as soon as I can. This is my first time. I'm using Feed to record. I've got the OBS bot 2 Lite. It's my first camera. It's just hanging out on the top of my Mac, so the microphone, I think, well, hopefully it's using the OBS microphone. I didn't even see an option to change that, but I think we're all right. I'd rather mark this as a 5-minute gap, just because it covers more, it kind of makes more sense. So yeah, we just came back down. We tapped into the 5-minute. We have another 1 minute right here. That's tiny, but we have it. So I mean, if we got that, we're just coming off an SMT. See, did we cross 37? Did we cross down here? We're down the 1 minute one. Yeah, we did. Okay. We actually have another SMT right now off of here. ES crossed here, but we didn't. So ES is just lower overall right now. But I think it's looking pretty good. I think I'm using SMTs right. Guess we'll find out. I mean, I worked for the first one. I said that we were probably going to reverse. Would have been nice to lock up a little more, but we'll see what we can make happen with this. I feel like what happened a lot, though, when I was starting to blow my last set of accounts I had, was that I would get to like a number like this, or like 500, 600, and then I'd be like, okay, well, let's only risk 100 on this trade, and then it would just wick it out real quick. And I'm like, okay, well, let's just risk 100 on this trade, and then it wick it out again, and it just like kept chipping away until I was pretty much at zero, instead of just taking an actual like structured trade and having our actual stop loss. And it, obviously I had a TP, but I didn't make like a good stop loss. Like it was too tight to where I'd enter, so it would just get stopped out right away. We'll see what we got here. Yeah, I mean, even with these 630, ES is below 630. ES is at like down here. So we have an SMT. See if we can get we have SMT. We're in a 5-minute gap. If we get into the reversal, I mean, might as well enter long again, because we have it all. Yeah, ES just filled out this gap. They didn't inverse it, but they covered it all. So they're about, yeah, makes sense. We're gonna enter long again if this gets inversed. There's one on here too. I'm gonna mark it out on ES. There's a 1-minute gap on the fuck. God, trading view is such a pain in the ass. All right, we have it marked. We have the same gap. There's a bigger one on ES, so we'll see if that one gets inversed as well, and then we'll target up here. Set our stop loss below these lows, this low right here. Because here, let me show you this green TP I've got marked out. It's like, yeah, we've got like 4 pretty much equal highs right here. So kind of want to take those out. We've been trending up too. We got 3 higher highs, all these higher lows. So I don't really see why we would reverse yet when we've got these still to take out. And I feel like after we do take those out, we take all of this stuff out. This sell side liquidity. So we'll see. We will see. But we might not. We'll hang out for a little and see if we get another entry. ES already inversed this whole gap, news gap, so it might just be going lower. Yeah. We'll probably hang out, I don't know, maybe till 7 and then be done. I mean, I wanted to get these accounts passed this week, but after losing like 11. Whatever, we can look. Yeah, almost 1,300 yesterday. It's kind of hard to do that. If we can just end up on this week, because I mean, we still have 3 days. 4. I think there's news like one other day. I don't know. Yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments, you can leave them. If you want to like, that'd be great. This is going to be the first video up on my new YouTube I just started. I have a TikTok too, which is probably where you'll see this video coming from. It's just the same as the name of this YouTube. So I haven't posted on it, let me see, since December 16th, just because I was posting it to keep up with all my progress of like passing my accounts and stuff. And then like the last thing I posted was just, yeah, I passed my eval. I got my first payout for my express. And then I made a video about it was like the 2 or 3 days that Top Step kept going down. I made a video. And that was the last thing I posted. I posted this morning saying that I was going to be posting this video later. So yeah, but I'll post another TikTok probably right after this. And yeah, I think maybe might be going lower, but we low-key might just be accumulation since this. So we had hella accumulation here. We didn't really have I guess this isn't really manipulation. I don't know if it counts since it was news, but if you wanted to count it, this would be manipulation. Sorry. This would be accumulation, manipulation, and then we try to see reversal, but I don't know if that's going to happen since it was a news candle. So we'll hang out for another 5 minutes. And if we don't get anything, then we'll probably just be done for the session, which is fine. A win's a win, especially after yesterday. A win is a win. I'm going to be trying to post every day. Let me know, like, even if I record and I don't take a trade, which I take a trade every day, let's be honest, if I should still post it or not. Or if there's any other videos you guys would want to see, just let me know. I'm definitely going to be more active on my TikTok. And yeah, we'll see if we can get something in these last couple minutes. If not, we'll just be done. Maybe I can go back to bed. Just kidding. I've wanted to watch. Oh, let me pull it up. What's his name? Yeah, Daddy Wellness posted a break the internet thing, and it's low-key slept on. And I watched through like 5 minutes of it, but then I had to go do something. So I'm gonna watch that today. I also watched. We changed this thing. It's like Brandon something now, but it was Higher Up Wellness posting about when it comes up to like content creation ideas to just document, not create. And so, I mean, that obviously makes things a lot simpler. Documenting is a lot easier than having to think about things to create. So definitely going to be doing that. And yeah. I'll hang out another 2 minutes. Not really doing much. So What even news? Let me check what news. New home sales drops in 2 minutes. I guess we'll watch that. It's only an orange folder. I don't think that it really does much. Tomorrow, tomorrow's PPI at 5:30, of course, and then there's orange PPI folders later, but it doesn't have a time on them. Thursday, there's one red folder. It's all 5:30. It's not really that significant. And then Friday, there's nothing. So I mean, if we trade well enough, hopefully we can pass these this week. And I think the mistake I made last time with my Express accounts is after the 5 days, I took the full like half out, which doesn't really give me much of a margin to work with. So I think I'm going to try and make a little buffer next time, or just not take the full half out. And that would make it a little bit easier to keep the accounts. But yeah, I've been doing pretty well. Well, not trading, but money-wise after those payouts. I still have a job and go to school too, so. But yeah, let's see if this, orange folder does anything. It probably won't, but we'll watch that and then we'll sign off of here. Okay, a little volatility. Pending right now. Actual greater than the forecast. Just check ES. ES now. Well, we definitely have S&T though. ES took out this low down here. Why are they so far apart? I mean, we've got to have a reversal soon. Like, ES took out all of this. There's definitely going to be a reversal. Let's see. All right, not really any strong moves, so I think we're going to be done. Thank you guys for watching. I'll have this up as soon as I can. And yeah, I will be seeing you guys tomorrow. Thanks.